In this video, we are going to learn this Indian beat. Now for this beat, we are going to use the triplet notes. If you don't know about the triplet notes, let's learn this quickly. Triplet is basically playing 3 beats for a count. It's counted like 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. If I'm going to say only in the quarter notes, it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see this beat. Now if you could see this beat, in the first count we are using the bass and the hi-hat. Now in the second count, in the place of 2 triplet, the trip is going to be rested and we are going to play only 2 let. So it's going to be 1, 2 let, then on 3 there is an hi-hat, then it goes the same on the 4, here the trip is rested and only we play it on the 4 and on the let. Now if you are going to tap according to this rhythm, it starts to sound like 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. Now let's try to place these counts one by one. In the first count there is going to be bass and hi-hat alone. Now we finished placing the first count. Now let's go to the second count. So it's going to be 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 2 triplet. Okay, so it's on 2 and nothing on trip. The trip is rested and on the let. Now let's try this slowly. Now we have finished practicing the first 2 counts. Now the third count is very easy. It's going to be just 1 quarter note on the hi-hat. Now let's try this slowly again. Now we have finished the first 3 counts. Now let's go to the fourth count. Again in the fourth count, we are just going to play on the 4 and the let, but we are not going to play on the trip. So it starts to sound like 4 triplet, 4 triplet, 4 triplet. Okay. So now let's put all these 4 counts together and try it at a very slow tempo. Now let's start to play this little faster. Now let's try it even more faster. Now once you're comfortable with the basic beat, you could slowly start to experiment. Try opening the hi-hats for some counts. If you have a stack cymbal, you could include the stack at some counts. Then you could try experimenting between the ride and the ride bill. Now let's try the different combinations possible with this basic beat. I hope this beat was useful to you. Try it slowly, then speed it up gradually. First try between only the bass, hi-hat and snare. Then as I told you, if you have stack, try to slowly include it into the stack, and then you could alternate between the ride and the ride bell. Practice and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you. Bye.